It's been one of the most disastrous weeks we've ever seen on the market. And Richard, I would argue it feels like the longest week I've ever experienced in my life.
I was just talking to our director, Kim, and she made the good point. She says, I've never seen a Friday we need this badly. This is like, we need this. We need a break.
It felt like a whole year, didn't it?
Sure did. And if you had money invested in any way, you sure were dizzy this week because we saw huge up and down moves for stocks. Yesterday, it was that historic sell-off. Today, a historic bounce back for the New York Stock Exchange. By the way, when they ring the closing bell, there's usually a whole group of people there. Just one guy hitting the button today, obviously because of the virus risk. The Dow was up almost 2,000 points, or 9.3%.
Wow.
I know. TSX rocketing up more than 1,000 points. Or gaining more than 9% today. What happened, Faisal, was investors looked at Trump declaring that emergency. It freed up more money. We had governments in China and in Europe really starting to act. Traders liked that they were back in the market today. We also have the Bank of Canada coming out of the blue today with an emergency interest rate cut. This does not happen every day. I know. 50 basis points was the cut, and this was the second such interest rate cut from the Bank of Canada in just over 2 weeks. What does that do? It greases the wheels of the financial system. So, Faiza, it means some credit cards won't cost you as much. Your variable rate mortgages will be cheaper. And so the bank's hoping you'll go out and spend some of that money, and it will kind of boost the overall economy.
Yeah, let's get out there. Let's spend our money. Let's support local businesses, too.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay.
And you know what we're going to be buying from local businesses? What are we all looking to buy right now?
Your girl has been to 5 different stores looking, wait for it, for toilet paper. I was down to 3 rolls, Richard. I was in panic mode. Woke up at 7:30 in the morning. My local store stocked up. I was first in line. I paid $15.
This is true. I saw it on Kijiji. There are people in the city hawking toilet paper on Kijiji.
Come on.
Anyways, I wanted to go right to the source and figure out what's going on with toilet paper. I talked today to the head of Kroger, biggest toilet paper maker in Canada. They make Charmin, White Swan, and all these brands. And his name is Dino Bianco. And I asked him, I said, Dino, are we running out of toilet paper?
Good question.
No, Richard, it's coming. It's toilet paper's on its way. We're running our machines full out. Our machines are running 24/7. We got 300 trucks on the road any given day.
Good to hear, Dino, but the shelves are empty, though. Like how much longer till they get full up again?
You'll start to see improvement, I think, over the next few days and into next week. You should start to see more and more availability of it as everybody replenishes. I would just tell your listeners not to panic. It's coming.
Are we calmer now? Are we good? We're fine here. Toilet paper's coming, he says, Faiza.
He said, calm down.
He also said they're not hiking the amount they're charging for it, although stores can sell it at whatever price they want.
Yeah, and if you have a couple of packs, don't go to the store looking for more.
No need to hoard. No need to worry. It's going to be just fine.
Yeah, okay. Thanks for that, Richard. It really eased me, I have to say that.
Good. I'm glad. That's what I'm here for, Faiza.
Okay, let's talk a little bit about the major drop in price of gas. What's happening there?
Should calm you down even more. Another big move come midnight tonight for gas. Roger McKnight with Enpro tells us we're going, what? How much, Roger?
It's going down 9 cents at 12:01 a.m. on Saturday morning to, 83.9.
And this
84
is
cents, basically.
What a week. I mean, we're way down on the week, right?
In a week, it's gone down 26 cents.
What's going to happen Sunday morning? We're expecting a change then, right?
Yeah, I'm looking at an increase of a cent all the way up to 84.9.
So there you go, down another 9 cents. Hold off on that fill-up if you can, Faiza.